Hi guys, this is Saad Qureshi and today I'm going to show you how to install MinGW compiler on Windows 11 machine, okay? So if you want to run C++ or C program, you need a compiler. For that purpose, we'll be using MinGW, okay? So first of all, I'll open the Google Chrome browser and here in the search bar, I'll type MinGW, okay? So I can download this from here. Okay, this is one link. I can also download it from here also. Type MinGW on Visual Studio and click this link. Okay, go and click this link and go down and download it, direct link to the installer. Okay, download it from here. Click and you'll be able to download this. Okay, so it has started the download process. I already have it in my system, so I'm going to cancel this process. Okay, just cancel this and click this link. Okay, now this is going to start the installation process. Okay, now look, click next. Okay, this is the directory where it will be installed. Click next. Okay, fine. I'm going to leave the setting as it is. Okay, so this has started installing in my system. Okay, show details. So this is going to take some time to complete, so you have to wait for a while. Okay, this has been installed. Click finish. So next I'm going to set the environment variable. Okay, but before that I'm going to run few commands to complete the installation process. So I'm going to run this command as it is. Okay, in this terminal, install the MinGW toolchain by running the following command. Just copy this and run this command, paste and press enter. So now, okay, now again you have to press enter. Okay, then you have to type Y. Proceed with installation, yes. Y mean yes. Enter, and this is going to start the installation. Okay, now this is going to take some time to complete. You have to wait for a while. Meanwhile, if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and share with other people. So this has been completely installed. So I'm going to cancel this and I will set the environment variable. So this has been installed in my C directory. So I will go here in my C directory and I will go in this particular folder. Then I'm going to go here and I will go in the bin directory. Okay, so just copy the path and set the environment variable. Edit environment variable, go here in the path and add a path over here. Okay, edit over here. I think I have to set a new path. Okay, so this is going to be my path. Click OK, OK, OK. So the environment variable has been set. Now I'm going to open the command prompt and check whether this has been installed or not, correctly installed or not. Okay, I will type this command gcc dash version. Okay, it has been installed. Okay, so the compiler has been installed. Now I'm going to run the C++ program. So this is the program I have created and the extension is .cpp. Okay, look, program.cpp, it has been saved as .cpp, saved with cpp extension. Okay, program C++ source file. Okay, now okay, now I'm going to run this program. So you have to open the command prompt and you have to type first you need to compile this. Okay, g++ program dot cpp. Okay, enter. It has been compiled and an executable file has been generated. Now I am going to run this executable file. Okay, so just double click, let's see what happens. Okay, let me just run it. a.exe, enter. Look, hello world. So this is my first program in C++. I hope you are having a good understanding of all these concepts. Thank you so much and have a great learning. In the end, I would request you to please subscribe this channel and like this video and share it with other people. Thank you.